Now, this next part is totally optional. If you want to eliminate your monthly subscription of $135 or any member subscription, and you want to make money while enjoying these incredible travel savings, simply refer 3 customers. It's that simple.
You'll need to add the $79 partnership, which is a one-time fee per year. It gives you your own replicated website, a full back office, marketing videos, tracking tools, training, and so much more. It's a complete system designed to help you to succeed.
And if you're serious about running this as a business, especially here in the US and Canada, there are significant tax benefits. We recommend first consulting with your CPA, tax professional, or even doing a quick search for tax advantages of having a home-based business. You'll discover that you can write off a portion of your home, spouse, kids, meals, travel, entertainment, cell phone, and even the miles on your car. Most people save more than the cost of their membership just in the tax savings alone.
The compensation examples we're about to show you will be based on the Platinum membership. Our Platinum membership is the #1 membership sold. We've all shared things like a good movie, book, or restaurant, but we've never gotten paid. With us, you can earn serious money sharing our memberships, and you don't have to do all the work. Our Zooms or videos will do the work for you. Ask someone if they would like to travel more, better, and for less. Most will say yes. Give them the Zoom link or send them a short video. That's how simple this is.
Once you've referred just 3 memberships, you'll start earning daily pay. And after just 31 days, the commissions you've earned will be enough to cover your monthly subscription ongoing. That means your membership cost is now fully paid for out of your commissions. Your monthly subscription will no longer be charged to your credit card, and you'll continue enjoying all the incredible travel benefits without paying a single dime out of your pocket. It's that simple. Travel more, travel better, save more, and now earn more. Now let's take it a step further. Bring in just 1 more person. That's your 4th referral. Here's how it works. You're building 2 legs straight down. You'll place 2 customers in your left leg and 2 customers in your right leg. Simple, right? Now let's assume those 4 each share this information, which is a couple of people. Before you know it, you've got 8 Platinum customers in your left leg and 8 in your right leg. At this point, you're earning between $400 to $700 a month in ongoing residual income. That's income coming in month after month just by sharing this information and helping others save on travel.
Now, let's assume those 8 customers each share the information with just a couple more, and you bring on 1 more customer yourself. What happens next? You'll now have 25 Platinum customers in your left leg and 25 Platinum customers in your right leg. Now, at this point, your residual income skyrockets. You're now earning between $1,000 to $2,000 every single month. That's ongoing, reliable income just for helping others save on travel.
Before long, you've got 63 Platinum customers in your left leg and 63 in your right leg. And now you're earning some serious life-changing income, between $2,500 to $3,000 in monthly residual income. This is income that keeps coming in month after month, simply sharing this life-changing information. Now imagine this. Those 63 Platinum customers each bring on a couple more, and you continue sharing the information as well. You now have 125 Platinum customers in your left leg and 125 in your right leg. At this point, your income has jumped to $3,000 to $4,000 in monthly residuals.
Now, let's take it one step further. If just half of those 125 bring on 1 new Platinum customer and you do the same, you just reached a major milestone. You've become an ambassador. At this point, you still have a very small team, a tiny team of only 188 Platinum customers in your left leg and 188 in your right leg. With this small team, you're earning between $9,000 to $11,000 in monthly residual income. We have never seen this before. Small team of only 376 total, and you're earning a six-figure income, and it comes with benefits that are even more amazing.
The real power of becoming an ambassador is you're in the top 1% of income earners, and you have control over both time and money. We all know people who have lots of money, but no time to enjoy it. And we all know people who have lots of time, but no money to truly live life. As an ambassador, you'll have the freedom to enjoy both. That's what real wealth looks like. And it only takes a small team to accomplish this. No other company pays you like this. When you become an ambassador, you unlock the ambassador lifestyle. Not only are you earning a significant residual income, but you'll also enjoy 2 additional vacations every year. And these additional vacations are completely free, including airfare credit. But it gets even better. You also experience the Louis Vuitton treatment. Imagine being whisked away to a Louis Vuitton somewhere in the world where you're given the VIP treatment and a personal shopper. And the company hands you a gift card that will put a big smile on your face. This has been an absolute smash hit with ambassadors across the globe.
And if you keep sharing and help others win, you can become a 3-star ambassador just like Maria and I and earn a multiple six-figure income. Plus, you'll receive something truly special, the James Bond watch. This is the Omega Seamaster, the very same watch worn by Bond himself. It's a $9,000 watch, and it's yours just for sharing this incredible information with others.
This is a quick snapshot of what we showed you up to ambassador. You can also rank up to 1-star ambassador, 2, 3, 4, or 5-star ambassador, and all the way to the pinnacle, executive chairman. You can earn up to $96,000 per month.
Has this been proven to work? Yes. Already in 2024, over 20,000 customers have joined our company, and we're on track to add 10,000 more customers before the end of this year. That's a powerful testament to the value we offer and the momentum behind our service. Everything you need to succeed is already in place, whether it's the support, training, or resources. You're not just joining a company, you're plugging into a system designed to help you win with all the support you could ever want.
This isn't just about vacations. It's about stepping into an amazing lifestyle, simply sharing information that most people will appreciate. And the best part, it's very affordable. Imagine creating a brighter future, making serious money, traveling the beaches of the world by showing others how they can travel more, better, and for less. That's a win for everyone.
The only thing missing is you to act. So get back with the person that invited you to watch this information and take the first step towards changing the way you travel and maybe even the way you live. Tell them to send you their link to get started. You're only 5 to 10 minutes away from changing everything.